In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not updating on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple steps to fix any issues attributed to Fortnite not updating and not launching on the PlayStation 4. So one of the simplest things that you can do is check for updates manually. It might seem simple, but sometimes instead of waiting for an automatic update, triggering it manually is going to resolve the issue. So select the game and then choose the option to check for updates on the options menu that appears. Of course, assuming that you have already tried this or it tells you that no updates were found, then you can move on to some other alternative methods, but this should be the first thing that you do before moving forward. So once you check for updates manually, now restart your PlayStation 4. It might seem simple, however, a simple restart can often clear temporary glitches that were preventing the update. So once again, after you restart, you can check for updates if you want to, and then open the game, see if it triggers the update, and you are allowed in. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is going to be your internet connection. As you might be aware, not only do you need the internet connection to actually update the game, but you also need an internet connection to get inside and play. So check to see if you have a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test inside of the PlayStation 4 network settings, and this will help you determine if you need to change your network, because if it is unstable or you are receiving weak signal, then the update will not go through and you will not be allowed to play. With all of this done, where you check for the updates manually, you restart your PlayStation 4 and you check your internet connection, there isn't much else that you can do. The last thing that you can try, if you are able to get the update to start, is your storage space. Sometimes if you don't have enough storage space, even a little bit more than it tells you you need, then the update will not go through. So I would recommend deleting old games if you need additional storage space on your PlayStation 4. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite not updating on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.